Hello my dear students, I Mrs. Supriya Sonone welcome you all to Nagesh Karajgi Orchid School. Today I am going to teach you mathematics subject of grade 2. Students, in the previous session we have completed our 5th lesson, that was handling data. Now today we are going to see a new lesson, that is the concept of fraction. So students, I have one apple I want to give to children. Okay, what should I do? I will cut the apple into 2 pieces. Where should I cut the apple to get equal pieces or halves? Tell me. Where should I cut the apple to get equal pieces or halves? Yes, in the middle. Each piece is called a half. Means when we divide something into 2 equal parts, each part is called a half. If we put the 2 halves together, if we put the 2 halves together, make a whole. Okay, whole means complete. So today we are going to see our 6th lesson, that is the concept of fraction. So open your Canopy textbook. Half means 1 out of 2 equal parts, and we can write, see here, lesson number 6, the concept of fraction. The concept of fractions. Half means 1 out of 2 equal parts, and it is written as 1 by 2. 1 is the number of parts taken. 1 is the number of parts taken. And this is called numerator. And these 2 number of equal parts. These 2 number of equal parts, and this number 1 number of parts taken. Number of parts taken. And this is called numerator, and this is called denominator. Okay? Now see, take a piece of paper. Take a piece of paper like this. Okay? Now, we divide it into 2 equal parts in as many ways as you can by folding. See here, I am folding this paper. Join these 2 corners, and each part called half. Means we got 2 halves, this one and this one, and each part called half. We can fold this paper as many ways. See, now I am folding like this. Now each part called half. Okay? One another type is there. See, each part called half means we got two halves. Do you understood? Now exercise number 1. Exercise number 1. Page number 87. Page number 87. See, already I have explained this. Half means 1 out of 2 equal parts. Half means 1 out of 2 equal parts, and it is written as like this: 1 by 2. Upside 1 and downside we have to write. 1 means number of parts taken and 2 means number of equal parts. See, exercise number 1. Color half of each shape. Color half. 1 by 2 means half of each shape. First one, we have to color half part of each shape. Here total equal parts 2 and 1 number of parts taken. So I have colored half. This B, now this is a circle and we have to color half part. Okay. This is a triangle and we have to color half part of this triangle. Done? Now 1/3. Next concept, 1/3. We have seen half. Now we are going to see 1/3. Take a strip of paper. Take a strip of paper. See, I have taken and try to cut it into 3 equal parts. Try to cut into 3 equal parts. See, one part, this is second and this is third. Each part is called 1/3. Each part is called 1/3. One part, this is second part. See, one, this is second and this is third. Means each part is called 1/3. Each part is called 1/3. And it is written as 1/3. 3 means number of equal parts. And 1 means number of parts taken. Understood? Now exercise number 2, look at these shapes. Write down in the box what part has been shaded. The first one is done by for you. Okay? First one. First tell me how many total equal parts? 1, 2, So we have to write 3 downside and shaded part 1. So 1 we have to write upside. Shaded parts means that part we have taken. Means 1 upon 3 or 1 by 3, or we can say 1/3. We can say 1/3. Total equal parts we have to write downside, and shaded part we have to write upside. Next, B number. First tell me how many equal parts are here. 1 and 2. So write 2 here downside. And what part has been shaded? What part has been shaded? 1 or 2? 1. So 1 right here upside. Means this is half. This is 1/3. This is half. Now C number. How many equal parts? 1, 2, 3. So write down 3 downside. And what part has been shaded? 1, 2, 3 or 2 or 1? 1. So 1 right here. So this is 1/3. Now next D number. Total equal parts 3 and shaded part 1. So this is 1/3. 1 by 3 or 1/3. E number. Total equal parts 2 and shaded part. What part has been shaded? 1. So write here 1. Here F number. Total equal parts 1, 2 and shaded part 1. So this is 1 by 2 or half. Turn the page. Page number 88. Page number 88. See, next concept, quarter or 1/4. Quarter or 1/4. We have seen half, 1/3. Now we are going to see quarter or 1/4. See, this cake has been divided into 4 equal parts. This cake has been divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and this one is 4. Vasu takes 1 part. Vasu takes 1 part. He has taken a quarter of the cake. He has taken a quarter of the cake. When we divide something into 4 equal parts, each part is called a quarter or 1/4. When we divide something into 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each part is called a quarter or 1/4. Quarter or 1/4 means 1 out of 4 equal parts. Quarter means or 1/4 means 1 out of 4 equal parts. And we can written as 1 by 2. Or downside 4 and upside 1. This 4 means number of equal parts and 1 means number of parts taken. See here one more activity. Take a strip paper. See, take a strip of paper, fold into two equal parts. First, I am folding this into two equal parts. See, I folded, I got two equal parts. Okay, now fold it again into two equal parts. Again we have to fold it into two equal parts. Now open it. See, we have divided one whole into four equal parts. We have divided one whole into four equal parts. Whole means complete. Each part is called quarter. Each part is called quarter or 1/4. Okay. Now cut out each part. Now cut out each part. 1, 2, 3rd and 4th. See, now cut out each part. I have 4 equal parts of 4 quarters. I have 4 equal parts of 4 quarters. Okay? Now put the 4 quarters together. See, put the 4 quarters together. Did I get the whole again? Did I get the whole again? Yes. I got the whole again. Do you understood? Now next exercise, exercise number 3. Exercise number 3. What fraction of each has been shaded? Write the fraction in the box. First one, A. Tell me how many equal parts are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write down 4 here, downside, and shaded part. Shaded part 1. So this is 1/4 or quarter. This fraction is called 1/4 or quarter. Now this B number, equal parts 1, 2, 3 and shaded part 1. So this is 1/3. This is 1/3. This is 1/4. Now this C number, total equal parts 1, 2, 3, 4. So write down 4 here, downside, and upside what comes? Shaded part 1. D number, equal parts 1, 2, 3, 4 and shaded part. What part has been shaded? 1. So write 1 upside. So this is 1/4. Now this one, total equal part 2 and shaded part 1. So this is half. This one, total equal parts 3 and shaded part 1. Do you understood? Write down fast. Write in your Canopy textbook. Now next concept, that is fractions. What do you mean by fraction? A fraction represents a part of a whole or any number of equal parts. A fraction represents a part of a whole or any number of equal parts. Whole means complete. Means a fraction simply tells us how many parts of a whole we have. A fraction simply tells us how many parts of a whole we have. See here, when one whole is divided into two equal parts. One whole is divided into two equal parts. Each part is called half. This part is called half and this another part is also called half. Means this each part is called half. When one whole is divided into three equal parts, when one whole is divided into three equal parts, each part is called 1/3. Each part is called 1/3. And when one whole is divided into four equal parts, each part is called a quarter. This part is called quarter, this also quarter, this also quarter, this also quarter. Means each part is called quarter. Half, 1/3 and quarter are called fractions. Half, we can write half like this, 1/2, 1/3, 1/3, quarter, 1/4. Okay, half, 1/3 and quarter are called fractions. Now next, turn the page, page number 90. Page number 90. What fraction of each has been shaded? What fraction of each has been shaded? Okay? We have to write here fraction. First tell me how many equal parts are here? 3 and shaded part 1. So this is 1/3. 1/3. Here equal parts 4. Write down 4 downside and shaded part 1. So this is 1/4 or quarter. See number, equal parts 4 and shaded part 1. Only one part has been shaded here. So we have to write here 1. And this is called 1/4 or quarter. Quarter. D number, equal parts 3 and shaded part 1. 1 has been shaded. So this is 1/3. 1/3. This one equal parts 2 and one part has been shaded. So we have to write here 1. And this is called half. Equal parts 3 and shaded part 1. So this is 1/3. G number, equal parts 3 and shaded part 1. So this is called 1/3. Here equal parts 1, 2, 3, 4. So write down 4 here and shaded part 1. So this is quarter. Understood? Next exercise, exercise number 5. Exercise number 5. What is the question? Shade to show the fraction written below each figure. Here fraction has written and we have to shade to show the fraction, means here quarter. 1 upon 4 means quarter. Means shade, we have to shade only one part. 1 upon 4, total equal parts 4 and 1 is here, means we have to shade one part. This is quarter. Now half, equal parts 2. How many parts we have to shade? 1, because 1 is here. Okay. C number 1/3. 1/3 means equal parts 3. Equal parts 3. And we have to shade one part. This is 1/3. Half. This is half. So we have to shade one part. This E number quarter. Quarter means total equal parts 4 and we have to shade one part. One-third. One-third means 3 means equal parts and 1 we have to shade. We have to shade one part. This is called 1/3. Now 1/4. You can shade to any part. Okay. This is 1/4. 1/4. Or quarter means 4 equal parts and 1 part we have to shade. Okay, completed? So students, I hope you understood the concept of fraction, half, 1/3 or quarter. Okay, we have completed our 6th lesson, that is the concept of fraction. Okay, thank you.